You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce correctly this word that is confusing and many get it wrong, mispronounce it. It's confusing because it comes from French, the French pronunciation gourmand. In French, there's no stress on any particular syllable, either the first or the second. Therefore, in English, it's either pronounced gourmand. In French, the D is silent, but not in English. In English, it's pronounced gourmand or gourmand. Now, some may say it even as gourmand, and yes, it is listed as a correct pronunciation as well. So you essentially have pretty much three different pronunciations that are correct in English: gourmand, with a stress on the first syllable, gourmand, with a stress on the second, or gourmand, with a schwa sound on the second syllable. How do you pronounce it? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments and like this video if it was useful. Thank you. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.